Hello, my name's John Buckner, and I am Vice President of Marketing here at S&D Coffee & Tea. We have been in this area for a long, long time. Founded in Charlotte in 1927, moved to Concord in 29. We are the nation's largest custom coffee roaster and the largest supplier of iced tea, and we're a proud supplier of coffee to Harris Teeter. S&D has roasted coffee for Harris Teeter for a long time. In fact, the story goes that one of our founders, Roy Davis Sr., used to roast coffee and bring it to the original Harris Teeters in Charlotte back in the 30s and in the 40s. With Harris Teeter, we have been the primary roaster for all the Harris Teeter coffees since 2006. We bring in the coffee here to Concord. We roast it, package it, and ship it, and then it goes to all the Harris Teeter stores all along the East Coast. We roast the coffee and then grind the coffee and then package it in Harris Teeter packaging. While it's in the S&D production operations, it never touches human hands. It actually floats on a bed of air throughout our facility, checked multiple times for quality before it's finally packaged up and sent out on trucks to your favorite neighborhood Harris Teeter.
Welcome to S&D Cupping Room. Here we are cupping Harris Teeter's coffees, and these are basically our ingredients here at S&D. We've let it sit now for 3 minutes, and we're going to release the aromatics at this point. This is called breaking the cup, and it releases the fragrances. We're looking for defects or the finer notes of the finer coffees. Some cup for pass and fail. We look for the finer attributes of the coffee in itself. Now we're about ready to cup the coffee as it's cooled. Now that we've cupped the coffee, and they have met all the criteria for Harris Teeters, we usually go back 2 and 3 times as it reduces in temperature until it's back to ambient temperature, because sometimes faults do manifest and come out as it cools. We have 3 cuppers at every table. Quality assurance, quality assurance, quality assurance, that's what we're here for. And if we get it right here at this table, where the expectation of a problem at the back door when it comes time to manufacture the products is greatly reduced. Once the coffee is harvested, they go to the mill. The mill removes the outer covering, and then inside 2 beans are exposed, and those go out to drying patios or into mechanical dryers. And then the outer covering is removed, exposing the bean, and then it's ready for export. The cherries came off the tree, either mechanically harvested or hand picked. That's called green coffee. And once roasted, turns into roasted coffee, such as here in my hand.
Welcome to S&D's Hall of Coffee. This is where we get a chance to discuss the origins of coffee. Coffee is grown between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees latitude. As the coffee starts to develop, it takes about 3 to 5 years before you get a first flush of coffee. Coffee itself at that point will last for about 15 to 25 years, producing about 1 pound of coffee per tree. As the coffee starts to generate its flowers, you'll get flowering throughout the full branch of the coffee, culminating into a berry. The berry itself will start from green, move to yellow, orange, and bright red. At the point of bright red is where we get the ultimate flavor compounds because of the sugar content, which allows us to go into the roasting process.
Now, if you'd like more information, please visit www.sdcoffeetea.com to learn more about our operations and our company and how we're bringing good things to your breakfast table at home.